So you have started your Instagram journey. Maybe you have posted a couple of photos. Now it is time to start interact with people on the platform. Hi, I am Pixel Pia. Welcome, or maybe welcome back. This is the 4th episode in this series about Instagram for beginners. And if you have missed the earlier episodes, I will have a link in the description to a playlist with all these. And if you are curious about what my next series about Internet for beginners will be, I will reveal that at the end of this video. But today we are going to talk about how to interact with people on Instagram. So for that, I need to put my screen up here and I need my phone. So first we are logging in to our account on Instagram. And let's go to find someone to follow. So I go to search. And today I'm gonna follow one of my friends, and that is Patty Broussard. So in the search bar, I will put Patty Broussard. I have her here in the list of recents. So I click on her little picture, which takes me to her homepage. And here I will click follow. As you can see, I can send her a message or I can email her from here. But more about that a little later. If I scroll down, I'll see all her posts, and she has posted a lot. So let's take a look at the last one. It's a photo. And as you can see underneath the photo, I can do 4 things. I can like it, either by clicking that little heart or double click on the photo itself. I can leave her a message by clicking on that little speech bubble. And I can type in here, "Hi Patty, I love that photo," and hit post. As you see, I can also post an emoji, the little heart. Okay, now I have left Patty a message, and if we scroll down, both my little text message and my heart are under her picture. Next to that is the little arrow. That means that I can share this with someone. And let's share that to my other account, Pixel Pia. You see, I started to write Pixel Pia. It pops up there with my little icon, and I can hit send and done. So now I have shared that with another user. The 2 little dots after that means that there are 2 pictures. So I can swipe between them and I can bookmark it, and it is saved to my collection. If I want to share this on social media, I click those little 3 dots up in the right corner, can share to. And here you see, pops up all kinds of things. I can share it to Twitter in a DM, I can share it to Facebook, I can share it, save it to my drive. I can do a lot of things there. Now let's go back to Patty's account and let's look up here. I can send her a message. I have already sent her a message. This is a message, a DM that goes only to Patty. Nobody else can read this but her. I am doing a tutorial and using you in it. Hope you don't mind. And hit send. Now that message go only to Patty. Next to that, you have 3 little symbols. I can send a Jiffy, it's called. I can send a picture from my gallery on the phone, and the microphone means that I can send her a voice message. And what I do to send that is I hold the microphone down while I'm speaking. I hold my finger on it for a little while, and that menu pops up. Hi Patty, I am just showing in my tutorial how to send a voice message. And now we can play it to hear what I sent her. Hi Patty, I am just showing in my tutorial how to send a voice message. So when she logs in, she can listen to that. So this was a short demonstration about how you can interact with other users on Instagram. I hope that this little series has inspired you to start your own Instagram journey. And if you do so, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you know someone that could use this series about Instagram for beginners, please share my video with them. So where will I go next? Instagram is focused on photos and videos, but internet is so much more, and maybe you are a storyteller. And if so, you might like my next series. I am gonna take a look at how you can very easy start your own podcast using a website called Anchor. It is very easy. I have never done anything when it comes to audio when I found out about Anchor, and I could without any trouble create my own podcast. So if that is something that interests you, hit the little subscribe button underneath the video and the bell so you get notified on when I upload. And remember, never stop learning.